Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this outdoor water purifier for reviewing purposes, and I think that it's great because you can use it when you go camping or any outdoors activity in general, which I think that it's nice. You just have to turn it on and it will filter the water. You can use outdoors water to be able to drink it, which I think that it's really nice. It comes with its carrying bag, two hoses to use with the filter of the water and the sprout where it will be dispensing the proper water, which I think that it's really nice. The manual with all the steps and information on how to use it, how to maintain it and take care of it. A really nice carrying bag where you can place everything that comes in the package. A water bag that you can refill. I think that it's really nice. You can just take it with you and refill it when you need it. So I think that it come handy. And a cable for charging it. It's a USB Type C with this weird cylindrical entrance, but I think that it's nice. And the proper main unit with the water system. Okay, this you just place it in the water and it will take it from there. This is the main pump, and it has a compass right here that, well, as a compass will tell you the north and everything, which I think that it's really nice. Okay, in here we have the charging port just connected right here. This is where the water will come out, and in here the intake. So that's everything that comes included. Let's go ahead and test it out. I have a bucket right here that I'm gonna get a little bit of water so I can test it out. Okay, come on. First of all, I'm gonna use the longer water hose to connect it and drop it into the bucket. Okay, this, as you can see, it has a nice size. Just connected this and in here. Okay, this one I'm gonna place it like this, and this part I'm gonna just drop it into the water bucket and I'm gonna fill it up. Okay, over here and over there. Now I'm gonna use the bag, comes included, to test it out. I'm gonna turn it on. We can hear that it starts working and we can see the water. As you can see, it's flowing out. It doesn't taste like water from the water hose, which I think that it's nice, and we can just leave it there working like this. Let's just wait till it fills up. Yep. Okay, just like that. And as you can see, really easily the pump filters the water, and now we can use it. We can use it to cook, to wash our hands if you want to use it like that, or anything that you want. Overall, as you can see, it's really easy to use. All the pieces that comes included feels of an amazing quality, which I think that it's great, and it's perfect to use it outdoors when you go camping, hiking, or wherever you need to take water from a river or a lake, which I think that it's nice. And overall, because it's really nice, really simple to use, and perfect to have it with you, really compact also, I will really recommend it. See you guys.